Don't me wine. Put it down. Give me here. This wine have to be at me cake. Not because you see me there on camera.
Cheers.
Nah, drink coffee, guys. No way. Cheers. And thanks for doing the video with me. You need to do more. This is why I don't want to do my videos, guys. So cheers. And Jamaican red label wine. All right. Mm. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh sorry. What the hell? What you do? Oh yeah, who's that? Amir. Hi guys, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to me and Amir little mini vlog. So guys, as you know, my husband brought some stuff from Jamaica. Oh, this one make me look so white, Amir. Why me white like this? Oh, but anyhow, guys, I'm gonna put that little clip in now to show you what I got from Jamaica. Not too much. I got some goodies from my homeland, Jamaica. Yeah. Big up. One love, everything Irie. All right, we're gonna start off over here. You can go to Jamaica and get some patties. They have it in beef, chicken, vegetable, and other stuff, and other baked goods. So tasty. I wanna big up on yourself. And I got some beef patties. I'm just gonna eat a little bit, but my son gonna eat some, and I'm gonna give some to my friend. I have some bammies. If you go to Jamaica, you have to have bammies, but I'm a little bit upset, but I'm glad that everything is okay. My husband forget my fish. Left it in the freezer. Oh, boy. And you know, it's a fish so expensive in Canada, guys. Anyhow, I gotta make way with it. I gotta buy some at the Caribbean store. So, anyhow, I have some bammies. We're gonna do some fish and bammies. You know, some fried bammy, some steamed bammy. 3-in-1 Thai. So 6, 9, 1 dozen. All right, and over here, guys, on the healthier side, I got me some nutmeg. Yeah, I got some nutmegs there and some good pimento. So I'm gonna make my ground pimento allspice with this. This is it, goodness right here. I have some fish seasoning because I can't find fish seasoning up here, but this is really good. And I got a tie of black pepper. And the next thing, I have some plantain tarts. I haven't tried these. They look like patties. The first I'm seeing these are my gizzarda. You can see them fresh. You see them fresh, guys, fresh and nice. If you see them not dry out and whitey, you know say them fresh. When them dry and whitey, you know say them put on for weeks, maybe months. And I got one over here, so 6 of these. And 6 of my peanut cakes. My son loves peanut cakes. I love drops, you know, the coconut drops, but I tend to like the peanut cake a lot, even more than the drops now, because you have to chew with drops if you don't cook so good. But the peanut cake, so easy. I love these buns and my son love them, so I'm gonna give my friend one, my next friend one. I have 1 dozen of them, guys. My husband bought 1 dozen. Okay. All right, you know, so you can't leave out this box. Anybody can guess what's in there? Tadam. I know Jamaican people know already, but let's go. You know me, I have to get my goodness. Here I have my red label. Can't go wrong. Jamaican red label, baking, drinking, red wine. And this is my secret ingredients in most stuff. Haha. Ray and Nevio. Overproof white rum. And it will make you drunk. Alright, so the young girl suitcase, yeah? Black scandal bag or plastic bag. Here I have some goodies in it. If you come from Jamaica, and have some tie up in one of them bag here. Let me show you again, guys. Up here, black bag. When it black, you can't see what in there. You know where you go. So if you go to shop, go buy 1 mackerel or 1 pound of chicken or 1 pound of chicken, but nobody not supposed to see what in there. Nobody not know what you buy. So here goes again, smaller one. I have some soursop leaf. There you go. Smells good. Soursop, good for fighting cancer, you know, and all these ailments. Build your immune system. So I want whole bag of soursop leaf in spring, you know. But anyhow, something more in the bottom. And this is my single Bible. All right. Or otherwise cactus plant. Okay. So me get some of this here. One few pieces in give me. And one whole leaf of soursop leaf. And the next thing, guys, this is my leaf of life. Good for cold remedy, anti-inflammatory, build your immune system, cooler, good for cold and flu, respiratory illnesses. Yeah, leaf of life. I'll make another video of this. Okay, so guys, these are the pants. I hope you can see it. This is one, the black one, and it has a rip right there. And this is the next color. This one is nice. I like the rip on this one. And my favorite one is this one. I like this one. It says Valencia. And I like because it covers up the rip so it won't rip further. Just have a little one up there. So I like this one. And this one fit him the best. And it has a black and a white part. And that's it. Guys, I'm adding this little part in the video. Look here. It's a bonus part. I'm taking out my leaf of life to wash them, to put them in the fridge. Look the guys, slug. Look the guys, and him not dead, you know, him alive. Right, Amir? So this is my patty. I'm eating. Took a bite. I have a little bit already, and I'm gonna eat some of that. And this one is plantain tart. I never tried this one. I don't think. What is that called? Plantain tart. I don't know it. It's the first I'm seeing this one. It must be new.
Wait, what's in it?
You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Okay, I want to try it first. And we have some peanut cake we're going to try and some dessert. So we're going to try the plantain tart first. We're going to try to make it like 5 minutes. I don't know. I just want a little piece.
You want a little piece?
Quarter. That's not quarter. You don't know quarter? You give me half.
Just have half. Show them it. What's inside of it?
It's like filling. I don't know how they do it. Is this plantain? I don't know. They maybe mix it with some flavor and some spice and they put it in a crust. So I never tried this. We're gonna try it.
I don't know.
I don't like it. You like it?
I feel like it's too fresh. Like, I don't know, the feeling, the taste from the thing inside of it.
It's sweet.
Yeah,
but then it
doesn't blend well with the crust.
No, exactly. That's what I'm saying. No, I don't like this one.
I'm hungry, so I'm gonna just.
You're gonna eat it? So that's one to pass for me. I never tried it before. Maybe it's a new thing. My husband said it. I don't know it. I don't know it. I'm from Jamaica and I don't know the plantain tart. I don't know it. This is Tasty's patty. Here, I'm here. Gonna eat all of that. You want some bread with it? And this is mine. So we're gonna have this. If you want,
you can like split it open, put some cheese in it.
Yeah, you can put some cheese in it and make what I'm here. Cheese patty, right?
Yeah.
That's so good. It's my favorite, guys.
This stuff right here is fire.
But basically, you wouldn't eat it with the sliced bread. You would not eat it with folding bread or cocoa bread.
Cocoa bread.
It's
good, right?
What is this, Amir?
You know what bread?
This sliced bread. How is this, Amir?
This is the real stuff.
Jamaican stuff. All right. One more piece. All right. Let's move on to the next. That's a 10 out of 10. 11.
This is some good stuff right here.
10 plus 1. That's a pass. Let's try the bun. We're gonna try the bun. You know we know how these things taste, but we just do a taste test. Finish eat that for some here. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste these. It's always soft and moist, and that's the texture right there. Nice with some cheese, okay guys? We're not eating it with no cheese today, but go ahead and slice it and put a piece of cheese in there.
Personally, I squeeze it up.
I forgot about that,
You
Amir.
squeeze it up.
Why you squeeze it like that? I squeeze bread like that.
Yeah,
I
you do
squeeze
with
bread
this
like
too.
that too, guys. That's how you do it, Amir? Hey boy, squeeze it up. But it's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
This a pass. Original Jamaican spice bun. And it's national spice bun. Can't go wrong with national. 10-2. This is good. Not too sweet. Okay. Alright, we have 2 more to go. Gizzardo, peanut cake.
Alright, go ahead with that one.
Break a little piece. We just do a quick taste.
No quick taste of it.
So this is
One
the
of them.
gizzardo,
You go
Jamaican
first.
gizzardo. I'm rushing him, guys, because I don't want the video to be long. So good. And as I said before, guys, this is really fresh. If it gets stale, it becomes dry and whitey. Open this one here. I'm going to come out and keep them video. So on to the last one for now. The peanut cake. This is Amir's favorite. Taste this. Crunchy and nice. Actually, Amir, I know what you love. Why you love this one. It's so good. It's like
It's
10.
very sweet though.
Yeah. So you don't want to get too much one time. It's like 10 plus. 10 plus 1. Alright. I'm not a drinker like this. So we're not going to try this one. I think this boy won't try it. But so we're going to try 1 sip of this Jamaican red label wine to wash it down.
Yes.
So first open it, Amir. Because this video gone for 10 minutes already. Just a little bit for me. That's good. I just tasting it and I'm gonna show off here on camera. No
Me?
way. Bye guys. Bye guys. What you did? You drink the whole thing off once. Oh my god, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. This boy is greedy. I told you he would drink off all of the liquor. Me now bust this rum. Me I hide it under my bed. I'm not opening anything more for you. The boy drink off everything fast. Bye guys.
Have a good day.